Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Onchain wallet. First, download the DeFi wallet app from your app store. Once installed, you'll need to either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to securely back up your recovery phrase immediately and keep it safe. It's crucial for accessing your funds. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some crypto into it. You can easily transfer assets from your app to your DeFi wallet. Alternatively, you can receive cryptocurrency from other external wallets by sharing your wallet address. Always pay attention to network fees, which can vary, ensuring you have enough for transactions. Sending and swapping crypto are core functions. To send, simply enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount. For swapping, select the tokens you wish to exchange and confirm the rates. Always double-check all transaction details, including the address and amount, before confirming to prevent any irreversible errors. Beyond basic transactions, your DeFi wallet opens up a world of decentralized finance. You can connect to various decentralized applications, or dApps, to explore opportunities like staking your assets for rewards or participating in yield farming. This allows you to actively manage and grow your digital assets within the broader Web3 ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.